Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to another wedding series episode. Today we are starting Alan and I's engagement party wedding series episode. So I thought to start off the video we would kind of chat about the inspo, about what we're going for, the vibes, all around just what is kind of happening, what has been happening. Overall, I'm really thinking lots of minimal white gold vibes. I love the candles of like all the candle and bud vase centerpieces with like flowing white tablecloths. And then also just like I said, the bud vases, like minimal bud vases are very much the vibe. Candles, bud vases, think lots of whites, minimal green is kind of what we are going for. As for venue, that's something we're still trying to figure out. We have to go venue hunting for our engagement party just a little bit, like nothing crazy. We're not sure if we want to do it at a restaurant or in like a venue space, have someone cater or do the food ourselves and just do like some finger foods. We've decided on date and time. So it's going to be on September 30th and then in the like late afternoon. So I'm hoping the weather is still really good. It's still warm and it's a sunny day because it's going to be from like 2 till 6 p.m. So we're not really doing dinner, but also like we kind of need to have food. So we're thinking like little appies and snacks, and that's kind of the overall vision. I feel like I'll pop in some images of some other decor elements. I love the big minimal white signs. I would love to have a balloon arch. I love the cocktail tables that have the full white linens on them. So those are just like a few little design elements and something that I just wanted to chat through to start off the video. But nothing is happening actually today. I just wanted to sit down and start off this series because I'll probably do video updates throughout as we're planning, as we're going to see venues and picking things up and whatnot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this wedding series episode. It has been a hot minute since we did an engagement party update, and I think I have almost everything for the party now in the house, so I thought we would do a little bit of a haul. It has taken a good few weeks of my mom accumulating things, me accumulating things, and I am like looking around all the boxes in my apartment because it literally has just become like a storage space for everything, and I think we have everything. So let's go through it. First up, we're gonna do this bin. So we got a few little tin trays to keep extra food hot in the oven. We also have our acrylic card box. It's just a plain acrylic box with a little card slit in the top, and then the lid comes off. And then we also have some smaller signs. So in here we have our little card label stickers. So I'm gonna have to stick that on here at some point. And then I also have some smaller signs, which I'm excited to show you guys. All of the signage that we got done for the party was from a small business located in the GTA called Filtered by Grace. I will have her links in the description box, but she did all of the signage and it turned out so good. So there's a few smaller signs in here that are gonna go like on food tables and around some of the decor. And then the other things that we have in here are kind of just like random stuff like spare napkins. One of my friends from the States ordered a few things on Amazon.com so they would get there in time, and she's bringing them. But we do have some like pretty napkins that say cheers and are in gold and like they're just pretty. And then we have some skewers for the sliders. My mom picked up these, but they are just some little shadow boxes that we're gonna fill with balloons, and then each one says a letter of the word love, so L-O-V and E, so there's 4 of them. I thought these were cute for just some decor around. This bin is going to be used as our beer bucket, which we have a little sign go beside it that says grab a brew, we're saying I do, which I just thought was so cute. And then I also have a bunch of just table runners and linens for the tables to decorate in here. Down here, I also just have our cocktail table linens. It was actually cheaper to buy them than to rent them. So I got a pack of 6 because we're getting 6 cocktail tables. And they're like the fitted spandex style because I thought that was really pretty. It's pretty seamless and easy to set up as well. So for ease of use, we got that. This box, which I'm not gonna open, is all of our plates. So we're just doing fancy plastic and like finger foods, as I was already saying earlier, just because it's easier for cleanup. We didn't have to rent any plates or cutlery. And these also look really, really pretty. So they're white with gold rims. You'll see them a bit later in the vlog. I don't want to open them and like take them all out right now, but we have all of our plates. I'm like literally just grabbing boxes that we've had for storage for decor, and I don't know what's in any of them. We have these little green tea light flower situations, which these were so pretty. I think I found 12 of these, so don't really know what I'm going to use them for, and maybe I'll use them at some point for the wedding, but I just thought they were so elegant and pretty and too cute to pass up. We also decided on doing all of our own flowers, so I found a bunch of bud vases. We have a few of these very minimally green, just simple bud vases, and then the rest of the bud vases look like this. So they're a little bit more fluted, have a little bit more going on. They look kind of like a bulb, which I thought was really cute. I'm actually really excited to do all of the flowers ourselves with my girls. I ordered a bunch of white roses from Costco, and then later this week, probably like the day before our engagement party, I need to head to a floral shop and pick up just some like local greenery, maybe some baby's breath, and maybe another white flower or something. Just so that I have a little bit of variety in the bud vases and it's not just all white roses. Next up, I'll go through some of our bigger signage. I'm not gonna unwrap any of them just because they're all protected right now. But the first one is our welcome sign that just says, "We're engaged, let's celebrate Vanessa and Alan," and then the date of our engagement party as well. Super simple, and I do have a little black easel that this is going to sit on. So pretty simple, but I just wanted something that was like classic, elegant, timeless, and this is what it is. And then our other sign is this giant arch that just says, "Celebrating the future Mr. and Mrs." It is super tall, as you can see. It is much taller than me, and we're also having a balloon company come and do like a big balloon thing around it, so I'm really excited for that. And that's going to be like minimal green and whites and like hints of gold, so sticking along with the color palette and theme. But I'm so happy with how this turned out. I think it's so pretty. And then the last thing are these 4 boxes here, which are all filled with vases and candles. So we got 3 different sizes, so some small ones, large ones, and medium ones for decor around on the tables. So they just look like this. 3 different heights, and then we got candles in them as well. I'm excited just to like put everything together and watch the vision come to life when we set up. So far everything is coming together pretty well. It definitely has been an experience planning everything and doing everything ourselves, but I don't think I'd have it any other way. I love being involved in every single detail. But we are just under 1 week out from the engagement party, so today the rest of my plan is to actually make some floral ice cubes for the wine. Go pick up some like cheap, maybe greenish, bluish, I'm not too sure, but some sort of flowers to put in ice cubes. I bought a big cylinder ice mold, and I really want to put them on the wine and have the wine chilled on like giant floral ice cubes. My mom got this really pretty glass footed bowl, which I'm excited to see in person because she was sending me pictures and it looks really pretty. I also feel like there's a ton that I can't show you right now because my mom has picked it up and she has been such an amazing help with this party. She definitely has more experience planning parties, and I also think that she's just really excited, but she's been picking tons of stuff up for us, so she also has things to bring down to set up like on day of as well. Like I'm sure has also other decor that she's not telling me about, or decor she's picked up that she did tell me about that I have just forgotten. But I just know that everything's going to come together so well. It took me going to literally 4 different grocery stores before I finally found a solid white bouquet, and I guess that's just what I get for having a white and green themed engagement party in the fall when all of the like autumn colors are out. But this one is stunning and it has a good variety. So my plan is to kind of cut them up, and then I just got the molds in, so I'm gonna quickly wash these, and then we're gonna try and make some ice. I have the kettle going because if you boil the water, apparently it's supposed to make the ice more clear. I hope this goes well. These are not as big as I anticipated to be. The cubes are actually bigger than the little balls. So definitely not what I was thinking they were going to be, but we'll make it work. You guys, it is the day before our engagement party. To say I'm excited is an understatement. I am so excited to see everything like come together, but because it is the day before, Alan and I do have some last minute errands that we have to go run about. We have to go to IKEA, pick up some tea lights. We have to go pick up some last minute florals and just like a few other bits and bobs here and there. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. But first thing, while I have time, and also before I forget, I wanted to put our card box sticker on the card box. I showed you guys we picked up an acrylic card box, and I also have like a sticker that says cards on it. So I wanted to get that put on and done and set up before I forget. And I don't know if there's anything else I need to do before I leave the house, but if there's anything else, I need to do that now too. Okay, I was really confused at first because there's like a kind of non-transparent part from the white cards part, but you peel this part off. And I think it's gonna look really good. Just super simple, minimal, very cute. And ta-da, it turned out literally so good. It came off so clean and it just looks effortless, minimal. I'm obsessed. I'm also going to open and look at the rest of our like little signage decor. Alan and I do have 3 more that we're going to pick up. They were kind of last minute additions that he thought about that I did a few days ago. And they're just like some Bible verses that we're going to kind of splice around. But yeah, so we have to go pick that up today too. Oh, these turned out so freaking cute. So we have the grab a brew, we're saying I do, and then the eats, sweets, and treats. And then we also have our love story, which we came up with together as kind of our timeline of dates, of like, just like important dates in our relationship. This turned out so cute. And then I have these little gold stands to go with all of them. party setup has been a little bit chaotic. We've got quite a bit going on. This room is like table-wise kind of set up. We're gonna start doing the candles and little tables on here. Okay, so currently I have my hair up in a pony, but I'm thinking I might change it to a half up, half down look. This morning setting up has been so chaotic. I feel like everything has been so go-go that I haven't been able to sit down, but I think I'm gonna switch my hair and then give you guys a final look with the shoes on and everything. It has literally been the most chaotic morning, but we're ready. There's Alan calling me. This is the dress.
Who likes to sleep the most?
Oh, that's too easy.
Who is most likely to apologize first after a fight?
Stop peeking.
Who takes the longest to get ready? Who wants kids sooner? Who is more likely to cry on their wedding day?
Alan.
My family's saying me.
She was a baseball fan. The dome is. It's not over yet. No. So this is what they did. They better not.